What's up, guys? It's Anthony from Meineke Cinnaminson. So, juggling many projects at one time, that's how I roll. This is Ron's 1972 LS3 500 horsepower Monte Carlo. So what we have here is a 2010 Camaro AC condenser. So the line's going to be modified to fit. Obviously the LS3 compressor that I was telling you about with the AN fittings. So this line here, once it's routed, will come up to the evaporator core, which is inside this box. It needs some modification. So this is the old stuff for R12. And there's a pile of leaves and all kinds of birds' nests and rat droppings and all kinds of stuff in there. So as I get things fitted, I'll keep you guys posted. But this is a LS3 and a 1972 Monte Carlo, 2010 evaporator core condenser from a Camaro, the 2010 Camaro AC lines, which will be modified, the LS3 compressor with the multi-bolt pattern that I used for lines, and then I will show the evaporator core modified and installed.